Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really glamorous dress on Dress to Impress. And yes, you do need VIP for this. So I'm just going to use this outfit and I'm going to color it this pink, maybe. I'm just going to make it a little bit red though. Also going to make it a little bit darker, maybe like this color actually. And I am going to color this like the same as my skin color. Make it matte though. Then we will be using this one in the same color. Let's do it in light silk. Then I'm going to use this and this color and this, but like maybe in a lighter pink color, maybe like this. And then I'm going to use the gloves here. Let's turn off the fur. And I'm just going to use this bow color on this one. And I'm going to toggle it to silk as well. Lastly, we do need the necklace from here. I think it's a code item, this one. And color it gold. I usually just use this. Maybe this one. Let's copy and paste that. Like so. I think I might change the color of my lips to match the dress a little bit better. Make it a little bit more red. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.